Just kids still breaking them rules, exchanging hellos after school. Got degrees, thought we moved on, but you were never far from gone. A couple years passed since that day. You were always tucked away somewhere close in the back of my mind, waiting on just the right time. I called your number and we talked for hours, catching up. Well, our first date was singing to the band train, and I knew I found